Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Meet the top 5 finalists in the Ultimate Love. Who are you voting for? The new TV reality show is seriously coming to an end as the top 5 finalists have been announced. 2 housemates out of the remaining 7, known as Obiabi and Prince David, were evicted in the show yesterday, and others are to prepare for the end of the show. These are the top 5 finalists: Chris and Chrisville, nicknamed doublechris; Rosie and Kachi, nicknamed Roksie; Bolanle and Arnold, nicknamed Bolar; Chivia and Chivia, nicknamed Chivia; Ike and Teresa, nicknamed iykeresa. The remaining housemates are still wondering why the reality show is not following the initial calendar. All of them were hoping to spend more 2 weeks in the love part, not knowing of the recent development, as the hosts of the show are yet to announce the high spread of coronavirus in Nigeria to them. Now the game is hot and almost all the popular housemates are up for possible eviction now, so as to declare the winner. The question now is, who are you voting for? Who are you voting for, guys? Let us know in the comment section. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.